This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Ram Almogue. Investor friendly, no special assessments. Beautiful, freshly painted, super clean and updated 2 bedrooms and 2 full bath in a gated community. Split floor plan. Beautiful lake views. Newer kitchen and appliances. Granite countertop. New impact hurricane windows. New APEC Reverse Osmosis water filtration. Updated bathrooms. Ceramic tiles. Walk-in closet, washer/dryer, beautiful lake views. Enclosed, screened-in patio plus storage. Monthly dues includes water/sewer/trash/cable/TV/high-speed internet/pest control/on-site manager/security guard. Community's amenities includes gym/fitness room, clubhouse, 2 swimming pools, hot tub, tennis courts, basketball, picnic/barbecue and car wash areas. For more information, review the details below.